Hello children, good morning. How are you all doing? Very good. So children, are you all ready for today's class? So shall we begin? Okay. Today I am going to teach you days of the week. You all know days of the week, isn't it? Yes. So let us revise once again the days of the week. Now, how many days we do have in a week? Correct. We have 7 days in a week. Which are the 7 days? The 7 days are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So these are the 7 days of the week. Now when do you have holiday for school? Correct. Saturday and Sunday. So Saturday and Sunday is a holiday for you all. Isn't it? Yes. And Sunday is a holiday for your parents as well. Isn't it? Yes. Your mummy, papa go to office every day. And when do they have a holiday? On Sunday. So Sunday is the day when the entire family is together. Because all have a holiday on Sunday. Isn't it? Yes. So we have 7 days in a week. Now children, open your maths workbook to page number 116. 116. Okay. When you have the book handy, write CW on the top of the page and also write today's date. Okay. So, I am waiting for you all to write CW and the date. So, you all are done? Okay. Now, look at the page. Days of the week. Now, I am going to read the question. It says, trace the names of the days of the week. What day is it today? Circle it. So children, you have to trace all the days of the week. Okay. Now which is the first day? Sunday. Sunday is the first day. Next is Monday. Monday is the second day. Tuesday. Tuesday is the third day. Wednesday. Wednesday is the fourth day. Thursday. Thursday is the fifth day. Friday. Friday is the sixth day. And the seventh day is Saturday. So Saturday is the seventh day. So these are the days of the week. You all have to trace on the dotted lines. Okay. Now children, after you finish tracing, okay, you have to circle today's day. Okay. which day is today, that you have to circle it. Okay? So, we just studied days of the week. Now, let us study months of the year. Now, children, how many months do we have in a year? We have 12 months in a year. And which are the 12 months? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So these are the months of the year. We have 12 months in a year. Now children, open page number 117. 117. And write CW on the top of the page. And also write today's date. Okay. Now I am going to read the question. It says, listen and repeat the names of the months of the year. Now children, the first month of the year is January. January is the first month of the year. On 1st of January, what do we wish everyone? We wish Happy New Year, isn't it? Yes, because it's the beginning of the new year. So the first month is January. And what do we have special in the month of January? 26th January. What is on 26th January? It's a Republic Day. So we celebrate Republic Day in the month of January. Now the second month is February. February, new flowers bloom. What happens? New flowers bloom in the month of February. So February is the second month of the year. March. March is the third month of the year. And what do we celebrate in the month of March? You all like that festival. Festival of colors. Holi. You all love the festival, isn't it? Yes. So in the month of March, we celebrate Holi festival. Then we have next fourth month, April. April is the fourth month. What do you do in the month of April? In the month of April, it's very hot, isn't it? You want to have a lot of ice creams in the month of April, isn't it? Yes. So, April is the month of ice cream. The next is May. May is the time for vacation, isn't it? Yes. So, in the month of May, you go to spend your vacations. So, May is the fifth month of the year. June. June is the sixth month. June is when the rainy season starts. And after June, it's July. July is the 7th month. So June and July both is rainy season. You have lots and lots of rain in the month of June and July. It's the time to remove your umbrellas, your raincoats, isn't it? Yes. The next is August. August is the 8th month. In the month of August, which festival do we celebrate? We celebrate Raksha Bandhan, Rakhi. Isn't it? Yes. So, August is the month of Raksha Bandhan. The next is September. September is the 9th month of the year. In the month of September, the leaves on the trees shed and fall and the new leaves come up. What happens? The leaves shed and fall down and the new leaves start coming on the trees. The next month is October. October is the 10th month of the year. In the month of October, we celebrate Dussehra. Isn't it? Yes, we celebrate the festival Dussehra in the month of October. The next is November. November is the 11th month of the year. And we celebrate Diwali in the month of November. The festival of lights, isn't it? Yes, we celebrate it in the month of November. The last month of the year is December. December is the 12th month of the year. And in December, we celebrate Christmas. We celebrate the birthday of Jesus Christ. And you all desperately wait for Santa Claus, isn't it? Yes. So December is the month of Christmas. So children, these are the months of the year. So, shall we say it once again? The months of the year. Okay. There are 12 months in a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So children, today we studied days of the week as well as months of the year. Okay. So children, thank you so much. Take care and bye-bye.